I'm News 6 anchor Crystal Moyer, and the Federal Reserve is set to meet this week to decide whether to make any adjustments to the interest rate. Federal Chair Jerome Powell has been getting pressure from the White House to lower that rate. For more on what we can expect when the Fed announces its decision on Wednesday, we turn to CNN's Maribel Abers.
Hi, Crystal. The Federal Reserve meets this week and is widely expected to leave its key interest rate unchanged. The Fed has been holding rates steady as it tries to gauge the impact of President Trump's tariffs on inflation. So far, that impact has been muted, with recent data showing inflation milder than many predicted. Now, one new wrinkle, the potential impact of higher oil prices due to the Israel-Iran conflict. Inflation is particularly sensitive to fluctuations in energy markets, and a rise in crude oil can lead to higher consumer prices. But as of now, Wall Street expects the Fed will issue a rate cut in October, possibly September. Crystal, the Fed's decision on interest rates is expected Wednesday afternoon.
And Maribel, you mentioned the Israel-Iran conflict. That could start impacting people's pocketbooks in the near future.
You know, as for oil prices, they have been rising as the Israel-Iran conflict continues, and that has some predicting gas prices will soon follow. Iran has been producing 3.3 million barrels of oil a day. That's according to OPEC. There's concern other oil-producing nations in the region could be drawn into the conflict as well. Now, oil is up about 14% since a week ago to $73 a barrel. Research firm Clearview Energy Partners says that jump alone could lead to gas going up 20 cents a gallon in the weeks ahead. Right now, the national average for a gallon is $3.14, up nearly 2 cents from a week ago, according to AAA. Now, in Orlando, a gas is averaging close to $2.92 a gallon. It's down about 8 cents in the last week, Crystal.
Yeah, and a lot of families during the summer maybe taking those road trips, so hoping those gas prices stay down. Well, this week, the U.S. will celebrate Juneteenth. That comes with something special for national park goers.
Admission to all national parks is free this Thursday for Juneteenth. It's one in a series of free admission days this year from the National Park Service. Most of the parks are usually free, but on certain designated days, all U.S. national parks offer admission at no cost. In all, there are 109 national parks that usually charge entrance fees ranging from $5 to $35. The Park Service says the free days tend to draw crowds, so arrive early. And you'll still have to pay camping and boating fees. The next free day is July 16th, which is the Bureau of Land Management's birthday. After that, it's August 14th, which is Great American Outdoors Day. And Crystal, you know what? Stock markets, banks, post office also close Thursday in observance of Juneteenth, National Independence Day. So why not hit a national park? And you guys got some great boating.
What a great way to kind of explore what nature has to offer, right?
Yes. For free.
Maribel Abers, thank you so much. We appreciate it.